How to make money from Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make money from Quora space. So first thing you have to do is go to your Quora. Now all what you have to do is create a space on Quora and then go to your profile here, click on your profile picture and click on the monetization option right here. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now click on your space right here, choose your space, and you will be able to set up your space just from here. Click space eligibility, and you can, this is the only one that you can earn money from Quora, and it's very easy. You just have to create and get more members on your space like this. I'm gonna show you an example. For example, this space right here, they are earning some good amount of money, I'm sure, and there is those spaces all have a lot of members. Don't forget to like and subscribe.